heroes, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Today I've decided to make an airplane. Here's what I used: an old wrapping paper roll, a piece of plastic from a remote, another piece of cardboard, a box cutter, paint and a paintbrush, and a hot glue gun. Before we begin, make sure you have parental supervision while using a box cutter. So the first thing I did is I marked off how long I wanted my airplane to be, and then cut it with my box cutter. Also, make sure you have an adult nearby when you use the hot glue gun. I started by adding a ring of hot glue along the inside of my tube so that I could fit the Easter egg in there because it was slightly smaller than the hole. The top of the Easter egg will be the front of your airplane, and then the bottom of the Easter egg will be the rear. Rear. Now that that's done, let's work on the front window. Now be very, very careful and cut out the bulging plastic part on the remote. This part as my window and cut it about where my thumb is. Using the rest of your tube, you're going to cut off a little section and then cut that in half, and that's going to cover the top of your windshield so that it looks more like a window. Set my plastic where I want it with the cardboard on top, and then I'm going to draw a line so it's even and take off that little extra pointy edge so it looks more flush to the cardboard. Now for my extra piece of cardboard. I'm going to take the edges and cut the little triangles off and make them my back wings. Then I'm going to trace out two front wings that are much larger, and then I'm going to do that little top fin. To paint it, and when it's dry I can put it together and my airplane is almost done. Now to put it together. So I'm going to start by taking my little plastic windshield and laying that where I want to, making sure it's at the top of the airplane with the pointier tip. Now for the piece of cardboard that covers most of the plastic. wings go right under the windshield part, and you want to hold it there for a few seconds just so that it doesn't go out of place while the glue dries. Now I'm just making sure everything's level. Once the glue has hardened all the way, take more glue and surround the wing just so it stays in place better. Now do the same with the back wings. Now the last piece we need is that back fin. So go ahead and put that and make sure it's in the center of the back wings. Otherwise it'll look funny. Were some finishing touches, so I just added some dollops of glue painted red for lights and stickers for doors and decoration, and then I coated everything in clear Mod Podge.
This is Beth Rose, ready for takeoff.
That's it for today's craft. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!